PCB Manufacturing. PCB Manufacturing Steps. PCB Manufacturing step. Following are the steps involved in fabrication of PCB: base material cutting, drilling, through-hole plating, layer film generation, solder resist film generation, legend printing film optional, laminating, exposing, spray developing, etching process, solder resist masking, legend printing optional. Base material cutting. Base material which is selected based on application may be epoxy resin FR4, duroid of required dielectric constant, is cut into the required size. Drilling. Holes are drilled through the board using an automated drilling machine. A CNC drilling or milling machine, which is controlled by an Excel file with the hole position data and a list of labels of the required drill bits, is used to drill the holes, to mill certain board contours, and to produce multiple printed panels. The holes are used to mount electronic components on the board and to provide a conductive circuit from one layer of the board to another. Through-hole plating. Following drilling, the board is scrubbed to remove fine copper particles left by the drill. After being scrubbed, the board is cleaned and etched to promote good adhesion and then is plated with an additional layer of copper. Since the holes are not conductive, electrolysis copper plating is employed to provide a thin continuous conductive layer over the surface of the board and through the holes. Layer film. For multi-layer boards, films must be produced according to the number of layers. Powerful software tools generate a plot file whose data control a photoplotter. After developing the films, they have to be inspected under table lamp for any track breaks, line shortages, or missing of any track. Solder resist film. In order to ensure no shortings in the PCB due to formation of moisture or due to spreading of solder leads, the complete board except the pads are to be soldered masked. This is done in CAD design tools and the photofilm is generated in the photoplotter. Then the photofilm is developed. Legend printing film. This is developed in order to ensure ease and fastness during soldering of components. This is also designed in CAD system and the film is generated in photoplotter. Laminating. By this process, the drilled and plated through boards are laminated by rolling under pressure a photoresist laminate on both sides of the board.